You can have a better search appearance and click-through rate if your video has a nice thumbnail. The importance of an attractive thumbnail is a huge factor to rank a YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an amazing, good-looking thumbnail for your video. Let's begin. Please be sure to watch the video till the end, otherwise you will miss important step in creating a cool thumbnail, and please subscribe. It encourages us to make quality video for you. Okay, let's do it. Let's make a thumbnail for YouTube video. To create an attractive thumbnail, we are going to use a website named Canva. Canva helps to create good thumbnail for YouTube in less effort. Plus, it also have a mobile app, so you can create thumbnail from mobile phone also. To create a Canva account and thumbnail, open tutarena.com/Canva. It will give you a free account and you will get an attractive discount if you upgrade to Pro. In today's video, I will show you the free method. If you are looking for the mobile app tutorial, please look at the iCard. You will get the tutorial for the mobile also. Okay, there are two packs for Canva, free and Pro. We're going to use the free one. If you click on Get Started, then you'll see this option and you have to click on Sign Up for Free. Then you can use continue with Google, continue with Facebook if you have Google and Facebook logged in your website, or you can use continue with email and other ways. But I suggest opening with Google account or Facebook account, which is quick. So I have used a Facebook, and if you click continue, then you have to give the consent and log into your account, which is very easy. Or you can use the email method. It's totally up to you. Okay, once you have opened your Canva account, then you have to go to it will take you to your dashboard of Canva, which will be something like this. This is the home of Canva after logging in. Then if I walk you through the Canva, then this side, on the left side, will have the menu, and on the upper right side you will have your account options. And if you have created any Canva project, those will be under the recent design. So in this way you can see all of your Canva design that you have used. Okay, let's make the YouTube thumbnail. What we can do, we can click on Create Design. From there we can search for YouTube. Then you will see all the options available for creating YouTube things like YouTube thumbnail, YouTube profile picture, YouTube display ad, channel logo, banner, things like that. But today we're going to make a thumbnail, or you can also search here like YouTube thumbnail. Then Canva will load all the pre-designed templates for you. These are the Canva template designed by Canva team and also third parties, and you can select any of them. There are free, these are free, and these are paid, and these are Pro. To use free and paid, you don't need to upgrade to the Pro, but for Pro you have to upgrade and pay, or maybe you can use the 30-day trial from Canva. Okay, this is a one method. If you click this one, then it will open this design. You don't have to build thing from scratch. But if you are looking to build thing from scratch, you can click on Create a Blank YouTube Thumbnail. It will take you to Canva. Then from here also you can I have just refreshed because the template didn't load properly. So this is the blank Canva template. From here you can this is the background. You can change the color, things like that. If you click, then you can change color and things like that. So in this way you can change. Okay, so let's say that you want a quick thumbnail, then you can select these options like this one. Then from there you can change things, like you can give a title, like let's say this is how to make YouTube double clicking on it, then I am typing thumbnail. Okay, in this way you can do it. So this is the easiest and fastest way, by using the built-in template library. But what if you want to build things from scratch? Then you need to know something about Canva, how it works. Let us do it. I'm going to have a blank canvas. So in order to build things like bringing image, background, text, etc., we have to go to the left hand side. There are different items and elements. On the top you will see the design. Design means all the previously designed things like that, and there will be templates and styles. So styles, you can try different color themes like that, or templates. But if you want to bring things by yourself, design things by yourself, you can use different elements from Canva, like these are the recently used that I have used. There are lines, graphics, stickers, photos, videos, audios, charts, tables, frames, a lot of things. Then you can upload your images and things like that from this upload option. You can also add different types of text, like without any style, heading, subheading, little text, or different combination of fonts and styles, things like that. And project is previously done projects. And background, you can also add different kind of background, like these kind of backgrounds, or maybe colors, things like that. And there are different apps which we are not going to use, because Canva is not just for creating YouTube thumbnail. You can do a lot of things using Canva. Okay, let's say that we want to make a thumbnail from scratch. Let's do it. So I am going to make a background. Let's say that I want this one. I've just clicked on this one. Then I want to make a text. Let's say heading, types of text, how to create. Then I'm putting it here, and I'm also adding another text by clicking on it. Thumbnail. I could write everything in one sentence, but why I'm doing separate, you will see in a moment. Thumbnail for YouTube video. Okay. So right now it doesn't looks quite attractive. For some people it will be attractive, but nowadays we like more fancy things. So how can we do that? I'm clicking on this one, then I'm going to click on the effect, then I'm clicking on background. So now there is background, right? Then I'm clicking on the color. Red is always highlighted color. Then let's say that we want to change the font into something attractive. I can change from here. Let's say that we want this one. Okay, so this one, how to create, then say this one, a thumbnail for YouTube video. Better, right? Okay. And let's say that I also want a background for this one, and maybe a bluish one, and maybe this one. No, I don't want a background for that one, to be honest. Okay, so this one is looking good. And if I want to select all of the text, then what I can do, I can drag my mouse and this will be selected, and I can move around. I'm making a little bit bigger size to stand out and to be more visible to user when they are searching for a YouTube video. Okay, now what we can do, we can also add more effect, like let's say that I want to have another effect. Excuse me. Let's say that I want to have a shadow. Oh, we can't give two effect together. I am going to give a shadow on this one. Okay, let's say that I want a shadow for this one, so it will be more, there is a shadow because we have a dark background, so we are not seeing it. I also want to add a shadow on this one. Shadow, yeah. Now let's say that I want to change the background to something lighter. Sorry, it's a premium one. We are trying to make everything with free one. I think it's look good. Now to make thing more attractive, I'm going to add an image. Okay, element, then I have to go up, photo. Okay, let's search women, surprised women. So we're looking for a photo. These are pros, so I am looking for something in free. These are pros. Okay, we can also bring our own photos to create something attractive. Let's do that. I am using a website called Pixels for stock photo. You can have a lot of free photos from here. Because Canva is not offering me a cool photo for free, so I am trying something for free. Let's say that this one. Oh, this is paid. I want something nice. Maybe there is no cool photo on Pixels that I am looking for. Okay. Okay, I think this Pixels doesn't have a lot of cool, attractive photo that I am looking for. I am going to use another stock image photograph website named Pixabay. As I'm trying to do everything for free, so that's why Canva is not helping me out by giving everything for free. But you can go for Pro because Pro helps in a lot of way. But for just creating thumbnail, you can use this method. So I am typing woman surprised pointing right, and voila, this one has the images that I am looking for, which will be cool. Like this one is very cool, so I'm going to use this one. Oh, this is from another site. Okay. Sizes. So this is another one, and I am not happy because they don't have a lot of image that I am looking for. I can Google it, but I want to create things for free. So I'm going to use another site named FreePic. Let's see if it helps. Surprised woman pointing. So they have the images that we are looking for. So this one is better, so we can use this one. So I'm downloading it for free. It's a huge image. Okay, now I'm going to use I'm also downloading this one because this one will be more better because it's pointing on the right side, and our image is on the right side. I mean, our text are on the left side, so someone need to point on the right side. So I am going to bring that image to our design by going to uploads, then upload files, then the image, maybe this one. No, this one. Yeah, so image is uploading now. Now if I click on the image, you'll see that it's there, but there is background for the image, so we need to remove the background, right? So as we are using free version, we don't have the background removal option. So what we can do, we can use another website named remove.bg. There we can upload the image by dropping it. Yeah, now we can download it for free. Okay, then we can bring the image back to Canva by uploading it again. I've just removed this one and adding the without background one, and see, so I think it's looking good. So in this way we can make a thumbnail quite easily for free without any complex application, just by using Canva. Then when we're ready, we have to click on share, then from there we have to click on download, then from there we can select the file type like PNG, JPG, things like that. When you're uploading to YouTube, I recommend PNG, but if you are creating any image for website, then I would recommend JPEG or JPG. Before doing that, I will say that you have to give a good name for your project, how to create a thumbnail. It will help you to appear on the search engine quite often and quite easily. Then download, and I'm downloading this one. Now when you are uploading a video, then you can use this thumbnail on that video, and it will help you to appear on the search engine more often, and you will get more click-through rate, and your video will be more visible and attractive to your audience. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please like the video, do subscribe our channel, because if you don't subscribe our channel, then we don't feel encouraged, and we don't know that our video is helping you a lot and making your life better. And take care. Bye bye.